Are you looking to manifest more dough in 2020 using the law of attraction? Well, I'm your guy because I know exactly how to make that bread, dog, using these 4 steps in the law of attraction. We're going to activate it fast, and we are going to 10 times your manifestation process, which is what we talk about on this channel. And I am Kai Valentine of KaiValentine.com, and I know if you watch these videos that together we will speed up both of our manifestation process because I'm learning from you guys just as you're learning from me. So if you want to be a part of this awesome family, you should totally subscribe down below, join the Valentine family, and hit that bell notification to be notified of more awesome videos such as this, and I guarantee you will speed up the manifestation process. Okay, so the first thing I want you to realize is that you have to be worthy. You have to feel worthy of this amount that you have in your head. And what I want you to do is realize right now, how much money are you making now? That's how much money you think you're worthy of. Now, I want you to change that. You may be making this amount of money, but in your head, I want you to see a different amount. I'm making $15 an hour now, but I'm very worth it of $40 an hour. I'm so worth that. I want you to change the amount of worthiness. We are all creatures of God, of the universe, whatever you want to say. We have the kingdom of heaven within us. We are creators. We can create our lives to exactly how we want it to be. And this is amazing. And once you realize this, your worthy mindset, your mindset of how worthy you are, increases tenfold. And it is an amazing feeling. So remember, you have to feel worthy of the specific amount that you want. So step 2 is I want you to be specific. And the reason why I want you to be specific, and I won't get into the specifics of specificity, is because once you have a number in your mind, it becomes so much more important. The universe also has something to work with. It's like giving the universe Play-Doh, and now it has something to work with. Once you have a specific number in your head, it just works for some reason. It just works for so many people. And my reason behind it is because now the universe has a goal. You have a goal. Your subconscious has a goal. The God has a goal. It just makes sense. Another thing that you can do to 10 times your manifestation process is to give yourself a reasonable time set in order to achieve this. So in a year from now, I am going to be making $700. That is my mindset right now. Now, the important thing is, we're going to get into this, is I don't want you to make, like if I don't get it within a year, I'm done, the law of attraction doesn't work. No, that's not how this works, right? You could be making more than that, you could be making less than that, but I guarantee you will be making more than you are now, and that is super exciting, guys. But you will reach your goal no matter what. But these specifics are really important because they just show the universe that this is important, and it just works. So the next thing I want you to do is to affirm it. I want you to affirm it, because when we grow up, we are programmed by the government, by commercials, by TV, by cartoons even, and by our parents on how much money we will make. Depending on where you grew up is probably how much money you're making now, because if you grew up in a richer neighborhood, I guarantee that you most likely have a higher worthiness mindset where you just believe you can make more money. It's just how it works. If we program our mind to believe that we're millionaires, we will become millionaires. It's impossible not to. So what I want you to do is, if you have a lackful mentality, if you have a lackful programming, I want you to change that by affirming. And what you can do is just affirm one time in the morning, one time in the middle of the day, and one time at night, and put feeling into it. Put so much feeling into it. I am so happy and grateful now that I make $700 a day. Comment that down below with the amount that you believe that you want to make, or that you feel that you're worthy of, and it's reasonable in your head and you can actually see yourself making it, and that's very important. I'm so happy and grateful now that I make blank. Comment that down below. I would love to see it, and I reply to all my comments because I love the Valentine family. Almost incestual. No, I'm kidding. Jesus. Anyway, so let's get into the next step, which is letting go. So now we feel we are worthy. We have a specific amount that we're working for, which is showing the universe, hey, hello, this is what I want. Now we're affirming, right? We have, we're changing our mindset. We're doing affirmations throughout the day. You can just do it once, 3 times a day with a lot of feeling, or you could just record yourself saying the affirmation and just play it over and over again. And now I want you to let go. This is the hardest part for most people, and this is the reason why the law of attraction doesn't work for the haters. This is exactly why, right here. No one seems to understand this, and today I'm going to show you a different way of looking at it. Remember this. I want you to take your desire off the pedestal. And when I say that is I almost want you to forget about it because you already have it. It's like having a new TV in your house 6 months later, you already have it, so you don't think about it all day long, do you? No, you don't. It's just not how it works. I don't care what you get in life. You're going to forget about it at some point during the day, and it's just because you already own it. You can be grateful for it and still forget about it. That's what I mean. But letting go. Alright, so bear with me, this is kind of confusing, but this is what my research has brought up so far. Remember this phrase, it would be nice if. It would be nice if, right? And you're like, Kai, that doesn't work. That's conditional. That's not present tense. I get it, but it's the feeling that's important. So it would be nice if I made $700 a day. It would be nice if I made $700 a day. That feeling of, it's like playful almost, it's not needy, and then you're like, oh, it'd be nice if I made $700 a day, but I don't need it. Take that feeling right there and move it to the same feeling of already owning it, right? So if you ever are having trouble letting go say this, it would be nice if I made $700 a day. Steal that emotion and put it into your visualization of you visualizing yourself making $700 a day. And now you're coming at it from a playful mindset and not a needy mindset. It's just a happier feeling, and it's not a creepy feeling either. So it would be nice if I made $700 a day. Take that feeling and put it over owning $700 a day. I know that's confusing. You might have to watch this a couple times, and I'm going to make more videos on this, but this is where my research has come up so far. The fifth bonus tip I want to give you is you need to take action. Now, if you're still here after you heard the word action, I guarantee that the law of attraction is going to work for you. Congratulations, it's actually going to work for you. The reason why the law of attraction doesn't work for haters, but people who write blog articles just talking crap about the law of attraction, probably tried it themselves and just could not get past this let go part. They thought if they just sat down and thought about something all the time that they would get it, and that's just not how the law of attraction works. In order to show the universe that we're serious about what we want to take action or be willing to take action and listen to our gut. Now, I'm not saying that the law of attraction can't manifest instantly. You totally can, but only if you come at it from a you're willing to do action, not just lay in bed all day. So take inspired action, and what that is good feelings that you get in your stomach whenever an idea comes to your head, or an idea that pops in your head during meditation, stuff like that. I have other videos on inspired action, so I won't make this video about that. And if you are looking to speed up the manifestation process, I highly recommend you join the Valentine family by subscribing down below and hitting that bell notification. I guarantee that if you join this Valentine family, you will be you'll be a step closer to manifesting your desire, because I break down the law of attraction in ways that I wish I had somebody tell me about it, guys. That is it for this video, guys. I love you all, and I hope you have a great day.